Hello and welcome. You're watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Abigail Carmelim bringing to the news and events in Meghalaya. Here are the headlines for today. Meghalaya holds preparatory meeting for peace talk with militant organization of Neotrep National Liberation Council. Maikuli people protest against Meghalaya government for handing over fish pond of Maikuli to Assam. 3-day chess workshop for the Under 12 organized in William Nagar. And Federation of Khasi Janta and Garo People Mirdon Circle hands over the house to Blistoria Lalu of Mirdon Nongba. And now the news in detail. Meghalaya government today held a preparatory meeting for peace talks with the militant organization of Neotrep National Liberation Council. Under the leadership of Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma, a meeting in this regard was held along with Meghalaya Deputy Chief Minister Preston Tinsong, Meghalaya Home Minister Lakimin Rumbui, Meghalaya Chief Secretary R.V. Suchang and State Interlocutor P.S. Thakar IAS. The meeting was held to prepare for peace talks with HNLC. Speaking to the media after the meeting at the main secretariat in Shillong, Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma confirmed about the meeting and refused to disclose what transpired in the meeting. He also said this meeting is a normal process. The government is committed to move forward the peace talk. At this point of time, I have very limited information. We are pushing this to a logical conclusion.
Days. So it's a process, as I said. It's difficult to give any kind of a update to you. It's not correct. It's a process. So you have to give it time. You have to allow the system to work. You have to allow you to understand that there is things that cannot be shared. I understand that you would like to know, but it could jeopardize the entire discussion and process. So one has to respect the process and the entire mechanism in which it's done. So therefore, I would have loved to share more information, but as I said, in the interest of the solution and in the interest of the process to move forward, we can't share everything. But what is important for the people, the state, and all of you to know is that the government is committed, and we are ensuring that that we continue to put pressure and to monitor the progress of the work. There is a process, so it's difficult to say right now. So process will continue. We hope that we'll be able to move things at a faster pace. So that's what our objective is right now.
The people of Maikuli in Rebhoi district of Meghalaya today came out to the street in large numbers to protest against the state government for giving the fish pond of Maikuli to Assam while settling the border dispute between Meghalaya and Assam. The protest was participated by other NGOs such as Meghalaya People's Social Organization, Neotrep Achik National Movement, Garo Students Union, All Rebhoi Garo Mahila Association and All Guwahati Achik Students Association.
It's not Maumari bill. So this fishery pond will not go at all to Assam. We should fight and we should stand up from now. We should not sleep. And we will fight for our own land and we will not give it away to anyone to Assam. And one thing I want to tell you, they have kept a settlement that give and take policy, isn't it? Yes or no? Give and take policy बोल दिया. लेकिन कहाँ असम लोग हमको दे दिया? थोड़ा जगह भी नहीं दिया. Is it? Yes or no? हाँ ना नहीं दिया थोड़ा भी. लेकिन उन लोग को असम गवर्नमेंट जिनके ये हम लोग का जगह सब ले लिया. कहाँ गिव एंड टेक पॉलिसी यहाँ में नहीं है. So we should understand. We should stand united. I request you to stand united, to stand together and fight for our own right.
The Deputy Commissioner of East Garo Hills District today expressed deep appreciation to the organizers for holding the 3-day chess workshop for the Under 12 in William Nagar. The purpose of the workshop is to promote the game of chess among children and to lay the foundation for future grandmasters, the Deputy Commissioner said. The Federation of Khasi Janta and Garo People Mirdon Circle today handed over the house to Blistoria Lalu of Mirdon Nongba. The house was made by the organization for Blistoria Lalu as she belongs to the poorest family in the village. The house was handed over to her by Dundee Cliff Concert, General Secretary of FKGGP Central Body, in the presence of Louis Starlingdo, Reboy FKGGP President, Sean Lang Dingdo, General Secretary and others.
Hani kapor nakaliang jongi gum gaseng hoi ngiju persyang hiru ben lekat bala bakumno bengila banyak kenirlem ya kata ketika diang ketika mon ya kapan kentiu ya ki pondok persnang jongi khamtam ya ki longi yang kebedon kam shisha ya kajingarau namar ba ngiju ihi nakapor sakapor ba kum gajat ben rio ngendale amala kisnong kindan baik memiliki long yang keberan kam siang pada ram mereka ika pokongsan kalau kami siam ba ngai tanat bakat kami siam kabesan rang jadi dikhat jokan ke circle ya ka bapla mi syakmat bat dei lingba ke jing tristong ke jongpi ya ka ba ngiru kumunong elam joga seng habang ayu ya kene ke jing khat sobha ke jongpi na so bakat ke kamram ke jonga banyak dalam kat lang bat piang ni kapor bat ai men siam lang epi ni nak aleng ka central body ngin dala ban ai kata ke jing dong kam ke jongpi te ke di jing tristong ke jongpi ya ka ba kindit khinsat ni nak aleng ka seng kemi ngilang banyak snok tilang banyak dalam kat lang bat piang.
So viewers, that is all we have for you today. Till we meet again, thank you for joining us.